In 30 years of investigative reporting, I've seen plenty of floor cleaning scams, from bait and switch pricing to performance promises tied to gimmick technology. Take it from me. Hiring the right company comes down to trust and experience. My research shows you get both with Stanley Steemer.
The first reason we called Stanley Steemer was to clean our carpet throughout the house. At the time we had 3 kids, a dog, and just lots of foot traffic.
It's also safe to say she had a lot of dirt. In fact, too much for Elizabeth Randall, a full-time working mom.
The floors, to the ducts, to the carpet. Sometimes you just need someone else to come in and really get it clean. So down here in our basement, we had a pretty big emergency.
But it was when her basement got bogged down with water that Stanley Steemer went from just her cleaning company to her go-to resource during a crisis.
So this is where the water was coming in, and you could just see the water trickling in, and it was thicker here. And that's when we remembered that Stanley Steemer did water extraction, and we called them right away. They came out immediately.
We dispatched a crew, not only cleaned up the water and removed the pad and then dried it out and made sure it was dried to standard.
Stanley Steemer's Bill Bradley says bringing the company's best effort to every home is at the heart of the way Stanley Steemer does business.
It goes without saying, to do a job right, you have to do it 100%. We believe in cleaning wall to wall as much as possible. And what's underneath that furniture is also soiled. And if you're not doing it 100% by moving the furniture and cleaning underneath it, you're not doing it right.
Carpet, hardwoods, tile, grout, ducts, and upholstery. Stanley Steemer's iconic yellow vans deliver highly trained technicians in a 24/7 response time to your doorstep.
Come on in.
For more than 30 years, Scott Lewis has cleaned thousands of surfaces in homes all over the country. He's witnessed the evolution of Stanley Steemer from a small family-run business in Ohio to a nationwide household name that sets industry standards for innovation, methodology, and of course, customer service.
The results that I see still blow me away on a daily basis. With Stanley Steemer, I think the difference really is the equipment, the training, and the people we have working here.
And those people, like Scott and Mike Alexander, and employees since the 90s, are completely vetted for your family's safety.
When the technician comes to your home, that technician's going to have an ID badge. We take great time and expense to investigate the person's background, and they're 100% Stanley Steemer employees, never a subcontractor.
Knowing a company invests in its employees is defined daily by their proof of performance.
And it still never gets old to see the smile on the customer's face once we're finished cleaning their floors.
And for a busy family like the Randalls,
well, you can call Lori, see if she wants to go to the pool.
having one company you can rely on makes all the difference.
Because it's hard to do those things yourself and to do it as well as Stanley Steemer does.
Complete home cleaning, no shortcuts ever. You get what you pay for, and it's backed by my Make It Right guarantee. It's simple. It's Stanley Steemer.